guys, it's Alien here, and welcome back to another video. Today we're playing with Bouncy Giant and Alien Boy.
Oh, 15 second head start.
Oh my goodness. I found a computer already. I'm in some green room. Shout out to Lily and Summer Lily for joining us for today. Lily Hanada and Summer Lily 256. Oh shoot. Ooh, I almost did. I did it a little early, but I did good. You distracted me. And now he's gonna come get me because Alien Boy is a beast and I'm so scared. Ian. Oh, he's right there. Time to escape. Time to escape. Time to escape.
Why can't I go out the window?
Because you cannot when you run really fast.
I'm not even running.
Say bye-bye. Oh. This is funny.
I'm not feeling it.
I am not you. I'm not. Oh my god. Oh wow. Wow.
Then you're dancing for your hit.
No, I'm not gonna go in there.
Then I'm not gonna hit you. Why are you so scared?
Does he not notice? Oh shoot! She just got hit. I need to save her after I finish this hacking. You gotta hurry, cause Summer Lily just got killed. I got one too. Wow, 3 computers. Oh shoot, he's camping, so we just gotta make one way through. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out! Summer. Oh, Lily's here with us. Why?
Yeah!
Go, go, go! Just run for your life. I got hit. Oh wow. That's what happens when you start camping.
No.
Lily's just waiting.
I will let you.
We just gotta hurry. Lily saved you. Summer saved you. You're lucky. Go, go, go! Stop camping her. Sheesh. Stop camping this poor innocent. No! Please don't target me. I didn't even target you. Wow. We gotta survive. No! Lily. He not stop targeting people. Targeting people for no reason. Lily's here. Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. Oh god. Are you up? After this. It's fine. Don't be crybaby. Lily got caught again. Don't call her fat girl butt cheek. No! Frick you, you're camping. I'm not even losing health, thank you. Oh got him not to camp. What a troll! What a troll! Goodness. Is he still in? She don't have to be mad just because we escaped out of that. Hi, Lily. Watch out, Lily. He might be coming soon. This is what. She didn't even lose the game. We're still in the facility. We're still in the facility. Why are you so mad? Bro, you could. She's raging big time. Yeah. I'm coming. It's hard to control two electronics while a thing. We shall open an exit. Flee the facility. You can join him if you want. Here guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. You have any last words, you two? Okay. Okay, well, bye.